Hey, it's Scott Cameron with MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a walk through the Scout 195 Sportfish. This has a Scout blue hull along with a 150 horsepower Yamaha 4-stroke outboard. Nice swim ladder with a handle. An attachment in the back for your raw water hose, Trim tabs as well. And a nice tow bar for your water sports. So inside the boat, you'll notice a lot of seating across the stern, which can be retracted and put away if you're fishing. Again, you have rod holders in the back. You have recessed cleating. Nice T-top on the boat with rod holders and storage. At the helm station, you have a live well under your seat. Nice backrests. You have a Fusion stereo system, electronic controls, C-Star steering. Nice storage space here with an onboard battery charger. Cooler in the front, and backrest as well. So if you'd like to see this boat or any of our other models, come see us at MarineMax in Brick, New Jersey.